I have this strobe here. I don't know the model, but it's a Siemens strobe. It's broken. I don't know what to do with it, and I already have a copy from the same building that I got. I unsold some of these. I don't know what to do with it, so we can have some fun with it. This is a bad idea. Alright, there we go. There we go. Yeah, get in there. I'm gonna leave this to do its thing for about 10 minutes. I'll be back. It's good now, so I'm gonna stop it. Let's see what's happening. Once these bubbles clear out. The back plate fell off. You see the circuit board. I don't know where the other parts are, but I'm gonna put this into a spin. Hold on. I think it's like there. There's, you know. You do that. Yes, there we go. See this thing right there. We go. Okay, there we go. There we go. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Yeah. There it goes. Now, I think this should be good. Let's go and stop it. Okay, let's see. Let's see what's left of it. Okay, mounting bracket. It's actually like fine. The nerve bracket's like completely fine actually. The actual device. Let's look at it. Oh, there's the mounting plate to it. Or the back plate. Sorry. And all of this is it's right there. CMCW or whatever. It's the actual strobe. It looks literally the same. So I don't think this is very successful. But whatever. You know where this thing is going? The bin. There it goes.